It is June 2nd. It's Tuesday, June 2nd. I woke up in Kent. Got up at 5:30, packed up the hotel room and headed off to go pick up Kian from his mom. Wanted to get the hell out of Dodge with all the riots and protests and looting that's been happening down in Seattle and that whole area. So luckily Tane agrees to keep Kian safe, so taking him north. We're gonna go see the live workspace, look over the lease and see if I'm gonna take it. And so we got an early morning to start for the day, headed on through pretty crowded interstate from Renton to Bellevue, and then it started to lighten up. We dropped Tane off at the park and ride station in Bellevue. It was easier for her to get to work that way. She does live quite a ways away. It takes an hour to 2 hour commute each way for her each day. So she's going to be looking to move north as well. So I'm still contemplating about moving from Colorado to Washington State. Haven't completely made my decision on that. Anyways, we headed north, stopped at the rest area, I called my Colorado bank and just tried to ask how I could take out a large amount of money for the first and last security deposit for this place. So because there's no branches here in Washington, and they told me Industrial Credit Union or something could probably do it for me because they're shared network. Bless you, buddy. And so headed on up to Bellingham. There was like bumper to bumper traffic between Burlington and Bellingham, so I went and took 99 and bypassed it, luckily. Anyways, got to the bank too early, so we sat in the parking lot and I started figuring things out. So I may live in Colorado and Washington like I've been, and just have this as one of my offices for Technotink Media, and my main residence be in Colorado. I think that's still the best bet, so I think that's what I'm going for. Anyways, headed up and stopped at my mailbox. Turns out I paid 3 months in advance, so that was good. We stopped at Grocery Outlet and got some drinks and some snacks and groceries, and then we dropped by Birch Bay. It started raining, and so we didn't get to play on the beach like we wanted to. We played other ways, took a little hike through their campground, which was cool.
Today, can I go swimming?
Not today, but tomorrow.
Okay, but
Tomorrow should be a warm day.
I said, when do I be with Mom?
This weekend.
No.
Unless we trade June for July.
Okay.
You want to try to do that?
I want to see Mommy today, though.
Today?
Yeah.
We're really far away from there right now.
But I want to be with Mom.
So, anyways, so that's been the scoop of the day. We got to the live workspace, signed the contract, everything looked good, paid the money, went down to City Hall and got the electric turned on, and applied for the business license, and then contacted the internet. That might take a couple weeks, so we'll see. Anyways, unloaded the car and now headed down to Ferndale to grab a load out of storage and get some stuff from the store. That's it.
Yeah, I will show you the base when we get there.
Yeah?
Then we'll just see branches and think of Hey. Hold it. I want to go where the base is. See that path?
Let's go down to the beach. Is that a mermaid shrine in there?
What's a mermaid? Right there?
Yeah.
It's even a crab hat.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think? What do you do? You put some holes in the wall.
So is that like a washer and dryer hookup down there?